Welcome back to Drive Future, where we explore the machines shaping tomorrow while honoring the legends of the past. And today we're diving into something truly unexpected and fascinating: the all-new 2026 Morris J2. This vehicle isn't just a revival, it's a bold reinterpretation of a classic British icon that once defined utility and charm in the mid-20th century. The original Morris J2 was a simple, hard-working van, loved for its practicality and friendly design. And now, in 2026, Morris brings that same spirit back, but wrapped in modern engineering, advanced technology, and a lifestyle-focused approach that feels perfectly suited for today's. At first glance, the 2026 Morris J2 instantly stands out. Its exterior design blends retro inspiration with modern proportions, creating a look that feels nostalgic yet fresh. The rounded front fascia, upright windshield, and smooth body panels clearly reference the original J2, but everything has been refined. The LED headlights are circular, echoing the classic look, while offering sharp illumination and a distinctive light signature. The grille is minimal and clean, giving the front a friendly, approachable face, and the short overhangs make the vehicle look compact and agile. Subtle chrome accents and carefully sculpted lines add sophistication without overdoing it, making the J2 equally appealing to urban drivers, small business owners, and retro-loving enthusiast space. From the side, the boxy silhouette remains true to the J2's utilitarian roots, but the 2026 version feels more planted and confident thanks to a wider stance and modern alloy wheels. Sliding doors make access effortless, especially in tight city spaces, while the rear design focuses on practicality with a wider business and fuzz-noe. Whether you're using it as a delivery van, a camper conversion, or a stylish daily driver, the design clearly prioritizes versatility. Morris has also offered multiple color options inspired by classic British tones, combined with modern matte and metallic finishes that give the J2 a premium yet playful personality. Step inside the 2026 Morris J2, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin is designed to be simple, functional, and surprisingly comfortable. Retro-inspired elements like a two-spoke steering wheel and horizontal dashboard layout bring back old-school charm, but everything you touch feels modern and solid. Soft touch materials, fabric or vegan leather upholstery, and customizable interior trims allow owners to personalize their space. The seating position is upright and commanding, providing excellent visibility, which is perfect for city driving and long trips alike. Despite its compact exterior, the interior feels airy thanks to large windows and a smart layout that maximizes space. Technology plays a big role in the driver. A centrally mounted touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a fully digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information in a clean, easy-to-read format. Physical buttons are still present for essential functions, a thoughtful touch for drivers who prefer tactile. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and smart storage compartments make the J2 practical for modern lifestyles. For those using it as a work vehicle, Morris has integrated fleet-friendly features like route tracking, vehicle health monitoring, and over-the-air software updates. Under the hood, the 2026 Morris J2 embraces the future with efficiency and sustainability in mind. It is expected to be offered primarily as an electric vehicle, powered by a compact yet capable electric motor designed for urban and suburban use. Per setup delivers smooth acceleration, instant torque, and near-silent operation, making it ideal for city streets. Battery options are tailored to different needs, offering a balance between daily usability and longer range for weekend adventures or business demands. Charging is convenient, with support for fast charging that can bring the battery to a usable level in a short amount of time, reducing downtime significantly. On the road, the Morris J2 surprises with its refined driving experience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and uneven surfaces with ease, while the low center of gravity from the battery placement improves stability. Steering is light and responsive, making tight turns and parking stress-free. While it's not designed to be a performance vehicle, the J2 feels confident and composed, delivering exactly what its target audience needs: reliability, ease of use, and a relaxed driving character. Regenerative braking enhances efficiency and provides a smooth, controlled feel during stop-and-go traffic. Safety has not been overlooked in this modern revival. The 2026 Morris J2 comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These features work seamlessly in the background, adding an extra layer of confidence for both new and experienced drivers. A reinforced body structure and multiple airbags ensure that the J2 meets modern safety standards while retaining its classic charm. What truly sets the 2026 Morris J2 apart is its flexibility. It's not just a van, it's a platform for creativity. Morris is offering multiple configurations, from cargo-focused setups to passenger versions and even lifestyle or camper variants. This makes the J2 appealing to a wide audience, from entrepreneurs and delivery services to families and adventure seekers who want something unique. It's a vehicle that adapts to your life, not the other way around. In the end, the 2026 Morris J2 is more than a nostalgic revival. It's a thoughtful blend of heritage and innovation, proving that classic ideas can thrive in a modern world when reimagined with care. Buy. Combining retro design, modern technology, electric efficiency, and everyday practicality, Morris has created a vehicle that feels both familiar and excitingly new. If you're looking for something different, something with character, and something built for the future, the Morris has created a vehicle that feels the 100-take men. Yes, thanks for watching Drive Future, and we'll see you in the next journey into tomorrow's cars.